Ano to guys? Circuit guys. Teka, kuha akong gunting. Huwag na pala, huwag ng gunting. Yan na lang guys, buksan natin. May mga heat shrink, may tab, may wire, may probe. Ayan, ito yung wire extra. Ito probing tab, may mga nuts and bolts, may parang buzzer yata to. Buzzer ba? Oo, buzzer yan. Mga bolts and nuts. At saka may circuit board guys. Solder tacker to guys, solder tacker. DIY solder tacker. So assembling ko to guys, separate video. Unboxing lang to guys. Parang walang capacitor guys. Kulang ng capacitor, 2200 microfarad, 25 volts. So anyway, tignan ko kung may stock ako. So yan guys, oh. DIY tab. Assembling ko lang muna to guys at sasampulan natin guys kung gagana. So wala man lang extra ano guys, oh. Walang mga bubble wrap. Yan lang, ganyan lang. Ito guys, oh, nalaglag. Ito na yung capacitor. So kompleto siya guys. So assembling ko na lang. Separate video. Buksan natin tong board niya guys. Yan, open board. Yan guys, oh, yung board niya. May buzzer siya tsaka capacitor na hihinangin. So, malaman natin guys kung gagana. Sana gumana. Alright.